How to flash Android 13 Pixel experience on your wired. Boot into recovery and literally clean everything up. Cache, data, internal storage, vendor, system, everything. Just clean everything up and swipe to wipe. You can use any recovery TWRP or anything. You can now format the data by typing YES, and then you need to copy the Pixel experience Android 13 zip file into your phone internal storage. Make sure it gets copied completely. Go to install and now install the ROM as usual. Go here and just swipe to confirm flash. It is that easy. Now you can see my phone is booting into Google Pixel Experience Android 13 Plus. I will be bringing you the full review of this ROM, battery performance, camera performance, and everything you can expect. It is a 4 and 5 year old phone, guys, and we are still having Android 13 latest version in a phone. That is a very good news. If you want more videos, please subscribe, and I was gonna be showing you a little bit more as well in this video. So now the phone is booting. Here you go, and now the phone is finally booted into Android 13. It is very much clean, it is very much smoother than its previous builds. Yes, this is the first build of Android 13 and this is how it looks like. It comes with the usual Google applications, very basic Google applications out of the box. It is very neat and clean. It does not have any Xiaomi bloatware. Thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you in my next one.